I have a real-world example for you here. My client, Greenlink Energy Solutions in Rockford, Illinois. This project that they're working on is a 250 kW solar, 530 kW battery. And solar alone was a lovely project, right? It's about $500,000 of CapEx, and the ROI over 15 years was $215,000. So money in, money out. It was a payback period, simple payback period of 4.3 years. Lovely project. When you add batteries though, you get a much greater ROI, okay? And so here's some of the ways that we document this. The IRR, the internal rate of return, is increased by 1.5x. It goes from 13 to 21%. The net present value grows by 3x to $486,000 from the original $158,000 for solar alone. And then the icing on the cake, the simple ROI grows from $216,000 for solar alone to over $1 million in savings, a 5x delta.